Okay, guys. So today we're gonna be just drawing, nothing else. So first we're gonna be drawing me. It's very simple. Here's the way to draw me. It's drawing tutorials. I'm sorry. It's very simple. A circle, two eyes, scribbles of hair, and one that covers my left eye, but not the other eye. Fill in all the white parts of my hair because I don't really have those. I'm not that old. Draw a little smile, little box body, little skinny arms, no none of that, no. And little legs that look like that. And that's how you draw me in my style. Here's how you draw John in my style. My friend John Dean. By the way, shout out to him. If you want, you can add a little winking eye, which is what I usually do. But if you just want it to be normal, like I normally do, add little happy eyes. Add small little areas of the hair back here. Make it end off, just by there. Make it come back there. Do that. Now the reason why we did this is because, one, I usually make it just a little gray there to add some shading. Which this is how I like to draw him. Then we draw a toothy grin. With a little circle body. Some arms. And the legs exactly like I did. If you want, you can add labels. I still don't know how to spell his name. It's very complicated. Next is how I draw Lauren. Now, the way I draw Lauren is kind of complicated. You see, it kind of looks like my sister, which we'll get to in a minute. So, instead of being like my sister, where it's literally just a thick line like that, like this, just curving around her head with an ending about right here. No. We change it because this is John's sister, not mine. But I still treat John's sister like she is my sister. Wouldn't date her, wouldn't do anything to her. We're just good friends. Pretty sure she's a fan of me too. Now I add little spiky parts at the top of the head. And I usually add these cutesy little eyes right here. But if you want to do it the way I normally do, exactly the way I do it is kind of like this. And with a square body to indicate a dress. To indicate a dress, do a square body. There we go. I don't know how to spell Lauren, so I just went John's sister. So now we're gonna do my sister. Like I said, just a thick line that ends it right about there. I mostly use Flip-A-Clip for my drawings, so if you want to do my style perfectly, I suggest you use Flip-A-Clip, because my art style is kind of complicated, but they're usually just rough sketches. Now, she normally doesn't wear dresses, so you can either do this or a square body. You can just call her sis or something. Now, the way to normally just draw somebody in my art style, you use, for a girl, there's multiple ways you can do the hair. One, you can do it like a thick line, just like my sister's. Drawing. You can do the way Lauren's hair goes, which goes like that. Or you can do any type of art style you want. Now, if you're doing a boy, my normal art styles are just kind of like strands of hair. That's it for now. Enjoy this tutorial while you still can. Also, now there's circle body or square body. Now there's two different types of legs. These type of legs or these type of legs. Now my sister is wanting to show me something, so yeah. But if you want to do monster arms, the way I do it is by adding many, many little stiff fingers like that. And if you're trying to do a monster head, I usually just do something like this. So, yeah. You can copy and paste these if you really need them right now. Okay, if you did it, then thank you. There's different types of mouths too, so I'm going to do those real quick so you can use them. Okay, those are the types of mouths. Now, if you want the types of eyebrows, here are them. There you go. Now, extra accessories can be this. You draw them purple to make, kind of like distress thing. You can do this to indicate anger. You can do this to indicate anger if you don't want to do the eyebrows. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later in another video. See ya!